Okay, dear students, in previous classes we discussed about the profit and loss, money exchange, discounts and VAT related problems. One more day, today I will focus on this topic. Some questions I will try to make you clear, and after today, from tomorrow I will discuss on the compound interest and population growth and compound depreciation. So let us do some examples, okay, related to this topic. The levied price here, labor price given of an article is 20% above its cost price. If the article is sold with 2% profit, find the discount percent. Here in this question asks, at last in yesterday class, while I am leaving the class, this type of questions I given. There also there is, in that question also there is a mark price of an article is 20% above the SP and cost price is 20% below the SP. This type of question I while I am doing yesterday at last leaving, so I am connected with that class, so I am giving these questions today. Okay, here is labor price is above the CP. So in this question we have to suppose the, let the cost price, okay, CP be rupees X, we have to suppose here. Then according to the question, okay, according to the question you can write here, okay, according to the question, okay, mark price is now what? Mark price will be 20% above. Above means if above then plus, okay, for the above you add, okay, and for the below you can subtract, minus, okay, do. Yes, mark price is equals to X plus 20% of X. Do here X minus 20 divided by 100 into X, then X by 20 divided by 100, do 0 0 cancel, 2 by 10 0.2x. okay, if you go here is 1, from 1 if subtract 0.2 then 0.8x. this will be mark price. Above means plus, okay, sorry, here plus, okay, sorry, here plus we have to do 1.2x. yes, mark price, because above we are writing, okay. Now we got the mark price. Now profit is what? 2% profit. 2% profit, if then find the SP, okay, selling price. Again find here, yes, because the article is sold with 2% profit, so find the what? Selling price. Selling price, then cost price plus profit percent of cost price, yes, profit percent of CP, yes, CP plus profit percent, because profit is here X plus 2% of X, okay, do. Now X plus 2 divided by 100 into X you do here, okay, then after, then you will get the what? SP. It will be, if you find 1.02x, okay, you can 2 divided by 100 do 0.02 and 1 here is nothing, then 1, okay, 1x, okay, 1x, 1 you add 1.02x, you will get the SP, okay. And then after this will be SP, then now what in question asking? Discount percent, okay. Now find the discount amount. Discount amount is equals to MP minus SP. Mark price is here 1.2x, SP is 1.02x, yes. Then from 1.2 1.02 subtract, here put the 0, from 0 not to 1 carry, okay, 10, 2 subtracted 8, here remains 1, okay, 101 point 0, okay, 0.18x. this will be now discount amount, yes. Now I am writing here, okay, discount percent is equal to discount amount upon MP into 100%. जस्तै तपाईको एक्जाममा कति पर्सेन्ट मार्क्स आयो निकाल्नको लागि तपाईको टोटल मार्क्स कति ल्याउनु भयो त्यो डिभाइड बाई टोटल कति 800 को हुन्छ भने 8 वटा 20 800 इन्टु 100 गरिदिनुस् तपाईको कति पर्सेन्ट मार्क्स आयो भने सिमिलरली यो पनि यसरी नै हो त्यो कन्सेप्टसँग यसलाई रिलेट गर्नु यो फर्मुला घोक्ने भन्दा पनि डिस्काउन्ट पर्सेन्ट निकाल्न छ भने डिस्काउन्ट एमाउन्ट कति दिएछ त्यसलाई माथि ओके एन्ड एमपी तल यस दिस वे इफ यु डु देन यु क्यान इजिली लर्न द फर्मुला पनि सजिलै आफैले याद गर्न पनि सक्नुहुन्छ ओके एक्स एक्स क्यान्सिल 0.18 इन्टु 100 गर्नुस् 1.2 ले डिभाइड गर्नुस् 15% विल बी योर डिस्काउन्ट ओके इफ यु डु इन दिस वे yes we can find the discount percent यसरी okay in this question we are supposing the CPX according to the question mark price is 20% above so we are doing the X plus 20% of X above means CP plus 20% of CP so 20% of CP we find then we add in this CP then it will be mark price will be 20% above the CP and then after there is a 20% profit so SP means 20% profit means CP plus 2% of CP means profit percent of CP if you add the profit amount then you will get the SP okay and then by subtracting SP from MP you get the discount amount and for the discount percent if you use this technique you will get the discount percentage okay this question now let us take one more okay example suppose one question more if you do suppose a shopkeeper okay a shopkeeper sold a radio at a loss of 10% okay had he sold it for Rs 150 more okay he would have made a profit of 20% what was the cost price CP of the radio okay this question see here what is trying to tell you okay यहाँ हेर्नुस् यो क्वेशनमा a shopkeeper sold a radio at a loss of 10% had he sold it for Rs 150 more okay if he sold the radio okay at a loss of 10% okay sold गरे उले रेडियो उले 10% लस में बेच दियो यदि उले 150 रुपैयाँ बढी में बेच दिएको भए ओके त्यो जुन एमाउन्ट में उले बेचे छ त्यो एमाउन्ट भन्दा 150 अझै बढी में बेचेको भए he would have made a profit of 20% 20% profit more उले चाहिँ प्राप्त गर्छ भनेर यो क्वेशन is trying to tell you okay so here you can suppose let कतिमा किने रहेछ त let the cost price be X okay suppose then loss is here okay loss percent is given okay loss is 10% given you okay then one technique I had given you in previous class okay if you can use their forward and backward calculation if you find the answer satic answer within a few minutes okay then that if you use this technique also then you will get the SP is equal to CPX into 10% loss then 100 minus 10 90 upon 100 if you do then you will get the what yes 90x by 100 this is the CP okay SP or now if it will be 150 more means 90x by 150 more okay 100 this is the SP if 150 more is equals to again this is okay CP is what X and into what profit now 20% profit it means 120 by 100 do if you do in this way then what you take LCM here 90x by 100 plus 15 0 more yes is equals to 120x by 100 100 cancel you subtract it then there will be what 120 minus 90, then 30x is equals to 15,000 and x is equals to 15,000 divide by 30. If you do 0 0 cancel, 3 5 is 15, 500 हेर्नुस् एकदम सटिक विदिन 1 मिनटमा तपाईको एन्सर निक्ल्यो। यो फरवर्ड र ब्याकवर्ड क्याल्कुलेसनबाट जुन टेक्निक तपाईलाई म सिकाएको थिएँ, अब यो टेक्निक गरेर तपाईले गरे भने सायद एक्जाममा कोही नबुझेको मास्टरले नम्बरै नदेला फेरि। सो लेट अस डू इन दिस वे, ओके। SP is equal to what? CP minus loss percent of CP, okay. Then CPX minus 10% divided by 100 into x do, you will get here x minus 10x by 100. If you take here LCM लिएर गर्नुस्, हरदमै मैले डेसिमलमा लैजान्न, यो केही विद्यार्थीलाई यो मेथड इजी लाग्छ। सो 90x by 100 यो तपाईको SP आयो। when sold in loss, loss मा बेचे भने त्यति बेलाको आयो। नाउ सेकेन्ड अगेन, अब उले 150 मोर मा बेचिरहेछ, ओके भनिरहेछ। यस, if sold in what? sold at sold for 150 more at that time, okay. Now find what do we find? CP अब now SP उसको कति भइदिन्छ ल भन्नु। यो मोर भन्ने बित्तिकै 90x by 100 plus 150 we have to add here, okay. This will be now the SP. Then we take the LCM 100, 90x plus 1500, right, okay. This is the SP. Now CP is equals to, we have the formula SP into 100 upon 100 plus profit percent. Yes, this formula. Now CP is X, CP never change, cost price change हुन्छ। पहिला X मा किने थियो, अब आएर cost price change हुन्छ हुँदैन, only selling price change हुन्छ। यहाँ selling 10% लस मा गरे, selling price यति आयो। अर्को कन्डिसन मा जाने बित्तिकै selling price sold, if sold for 150 more, 150 मोर मा बेचेछ भने अब उसको selling price यो भइदिन्छ। यो SP1 मा आने पनि भयो है, यसरी यो भयो। अब उसको प्लस गरेर यति आयो। अब यो सेलिङ प्राइस, यो फर्मुला युज गर्नुहुन्छ भने CPX मान्नुस्, SP यो भ्यालु यहाँ राख्नुस्, 90x plus 1500 by 100 into 100 गर्नुस्। 100 प्लस प्रॉफिट पर्सेंट तपाईको कति भएछ अहिले? 20%, 20 लेख्नुस्। यो 100 काट दिनुस्। हेर्नुस् एकदम अघिकै यही कन्डिसन हो, यो केही गाह्रो छैन। हेर्नुस् एकैछिनमा आउँछ यो। यस्तो टाइप क्वेशन मोर मे आस्क इन एक्जाम। हेर्नुस् कति आयो? 90x प्लस 15, 4 वटा 0 छ हो। यहाँ 150 मोर भने थियो, 3टा 0। यस 120 आयो। और 120x इज इक्वल्स टू 90x प्लस 15, 3टा 0। यो तलाएर सब्ट्र्याक्ट गरिदिनुस्। 30x इज इक्वल्स टू 15, 3टा 0। यस यो मैले मेड दिइहालेँ। ओके, नाउ x इज इक्वल्स टू 15, 3टा 0 डिभाइड बाई 30 गर्नुस्। 0 0 क्यान्सल, 500 आउँछ। यस त भने कस्ट कतिमा किने रहेछ त? CP 500 मा। दिस इज द आन्सर। यसरी इन दिस वे वी गेट द आन्सर। ओके, यस अब आन्सर आउँछ भने इन दिस क्वेशन देयर इज अ CP asked and 2 condition given, 2टा condition. If a shopkeeper sold an article, there will be loss 10%. Okay, had it been sold 150 more अथवा 150 लेस भनिदिएको भए त्यति बेला लेस, if less in question then minus do. Okay, for the second condition, first condition suppose the x CPX मान्नु होला, लस देन लस माइनस गरेर त्यसको पर्सेन्ट लस गरेर SP निकाल्नु होला। प्रॉफिट पर्सेन्ट पनि हुन सक्छ, दिन सक्छ भने प्लस गर्नु होला अनि पहिलो कन्डिसन को SP निकाल्नु होला। सेकेन्ड कन्डिसनमा जाने बित्तिकै त्यो ह्याड इट बिन मोर सोल्ड अनि लेस सोल्ड भन्छ, मोर भन्छ, प्लस गरिदिनु होला SP1 भनेर, अनि फेरि सेकेन्ड कन्डिसनमा CP कै फर्मुला लाउनु होला चाहे SP कै फर्मुला लाउनु होला, फरक परेन, त्यो दुईटै फर्मुला एउटै हो, त्यो कन्भर्जन भएको यताउति। CP = SP × 100/100 माइनस लस भएमा प्लस भएमा SP × 100/100 प्लस प्रॉफिट भएमा, त्यसरी गरेर you can solve the question very easily. Okay, now next question, one more, you take the example. Okay, suppose one question, a laptop is bought, okay, for Rs 65,000 at what labeled price should it be sold to gain 6.25% after 15% discount? This question, okay, one, okay, this is the last question, okay, for today. A laptop is bought for Rs 65,000. म उसले किने रहेछ, okay, this is the cost price bought. At what label price should it be sold? What label price should it be sold? त्यसको अब लेबल यतिमा किनेर ल्यायो, अब त्यो ल्यापटपको लेबल प्राइस कति राखेर बेच्यो भने, 15% डिस्काउन्ट दिएर बेच्यो भने उसको फाइदा गेन, what will be the gain? 6.25% will be the gain. Okay, so here CP given, okay, cost price is given our 65,000 and profit percent also given 6.25% and discount percent given, okay, 15%. So here is the, to make the profit, yes, so find out at first the SP, okay, SP, because if we find the SP then we get the MP easily, because there is the relation between MP and S. So SP is equal to formula you can know, you know, CP plus profit percent of CP, or you can say if you take the common CP then here will be what, 100 plus profit by 100. Yes, in this way also you can say. त्यही अघिकै कन्डिसन जुन मैले अघि फरवर्ड ब्याकवर्ड क्याल्कुलेसनबाट तपाईको यही म गरिरहेको थिएँ, अरू केही गरिरहेको थिएन, यही फर्मुला आधारमा मैले ढ्याममा हालिरहेको थिएँ, 6500 हालेर अनि यति प्रफिट भएछ भने 100 मा यति जोडेर है 100 प्लस 6.25 डिवाइड बाइ 100 गरिरहेको थिएँ, अरू केही हैन. ओके, इफ यु डु इन दिस वे यु विल गेट द 69062.50. Yes, 00 cancel, yes, and 106.25 into 6500 do, okay, you will get the, okay, answer. In this way SP आउँछ हाम्रो. Now SP आइसक्यो, yes, फर्मुलाबाट गएर yes, यो कट दिनुस्, यो एड गर्नु, इन्टु गर्नु, okay, this will be the SP. Now if you, okay, discount percent is given, so MP is equals to, we know the formula, SP into 100 upon 100 minus discount. Yes, or you can use this, यहीबाट हेर्नुस्, यो फर्मुला यहीबाट त आएको हो, SP is equals to MP minus discount percent of MP. हेर्नुस्, SP यो MP common लियो उले, yes, MP, then here will be what, 1 minus डिस्काउन्ट पर्सेन्ट. हेर्नुस्, अब यो पर्सेन्ट हट्यो, डिभाइड बाइ 100 हुन्छ, अनि 100 ले यता आउँछ त एसपी यो इन्टु 100 हुन्छ, 1 माइनस डिस्काउन्ट, त्यही नै हो यो. ओके, अनि एसपी भ्यालु यु क्यान पुट 69062.50 इन्टु 100 डिभाइड बाइ 100 माइनस डिस्काउन्ट 15. यु क्यान सल्भ इट. यो गर्नुहोस् त ल, मल्टिप्लाई गर्नु, कति आउँछ, 6906250 अनि 85, okay, divide it, then you will get the RS 81250, okay, if you divide it. In this way we can find the mark price from that. In this way we can if we can solve the short questions, long questions of this arithmetic related to the discount, VAT, profit and loss, money exchange गरेर यति हामी I tried to you to make the clear of the concepts within these 3-4 days, okay, of questions related to this VAT, all everything. अब नेक्स्ट क्लासमा हामी चाहिँ कम्पाउन्ड इन्ट्रेस्टको बारेमा र पपुलेसन ग्रोथ र डिप्रिसिएसनसँग रिलेटेड क्वेसन्स हामी गर्नेछौँ र जति पनि क्वेसनहरू हामीले प्र्याक्टिस गराइरहेछौँ तपाईहरु गएर आफ्नो घरमा बसेर प्र्याक्टिस गरिराख्नुस् अनि नआएको क्वेसन्सहरू पनि तपाईहरुले यो बन्दको बेलामा के भन्छन् नेट छ भने नेटको द्वारा, फोन छ भने फोनको द्वारा पनि आफ्नो विषय शिक्षकसँग अथवा हामी जुन अनलाइन क्लास लिएछौं हामीहरुसँग पनि तपाईहरुले केही क्वेसन्सहरू सोध्न सक्नुहुन्छ। यति भन्दै आजको क्लास यही अन्त गर्छु विद्यार्थी भाइ बहिनीहरु। थ्यांक्स टु अल फर वाचिङ माई क्लास। थ्यांक यू।